Hello, in this video, I want to show you how to find the grade level collaboration digital lessons that have been shared by other Redlands teachers that you can use in your own classroom in case you're interested. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to your Google Drive. And once you get to your drive, you're going to head over here to the part called Shared Drives. Once I click on Shared Drive, the one that you're looking for over here is the Elementary Resources Shared Drive that's been used by all the elementary teachers in the district. So we're going to open this up. And then there are now collaboration resources available for each one of the elementary grade levels. So let me show you how to go in and find this. I'm going to use as an example right now 5th grade. Let's say I'm a 5th grade teacher. All I have to do is open up the 5th grade folder. And then inside the 5th grade folder, what I'm going to do is look for another folder called Grade Level Collaboration. So what you're going to do is double click on Grade Level Collaboration and open that up. And then inside, you're looking for a spreadsheet. You'll notice we've got this little green Sheets logo over here, and you're looking for the digital lessons file. So it'll have your grade level plus digital lessons, and each one is color-coded. 5th grade is purple, I think 4th grade is blue, so on and so forth. So if I double-click this, you'll notice this is actually a spreadsheet that has a whole bunch of awesome digital lessons that have been provided by other teachers in the district for you to be able to use. So if you're interested in one of these, let's say we're looking for a digital spelling menu. That looks like an awesome thing to be able to use. If I click over here, you'll see this is the link out to the Google Slides file. And from here, I can just click this and open it up. Now, a couple of disclaimers. If you're interested in using one of these things, here are the notes on the side that you want to follow. First of all, once you open this up, you want to make sure that you go to File, Make a Copy, so that you can get your own copy of the original file here. You're also encouraged, if you're going to use any of these, to also be a contributor. If you've made some digital lessons, we would encourage you to make sure that you're contributing that back for the greater good. And you can find up here at the top, it says click on this form to submit a resource to share with your grade. So you can submit your own resources right up here using this form. The other thing that is asked is that you keep files within Redlands USD and not share these out with any teachers outside of the district. And then finally, that you honor attribution for each one of these lessons that has been carefully and time-consumingly created by somebody else in the district. We love sharing. We love this idea that if Redlands teachers share with each other, it improves the quality of education for all students. But we definitely want to make sure that we honor attribution for all the people that have contributed these resources. So that's it. That's the process to be able to get to any one of these things and make your own copy so that you can start using those with your students in your distance learning classroom.